Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wiska Marsela from class LB1 Electrical Engineering. I will present here about measure instrument. That is multitester. I will explain what a multitester is, the function of multitester, the type of multitester, and how a multitester works. A multitester or multimeter is an electrical measure instrument used to measure the type of electrical quantities, namely electric current, voltage, and electrical resistance. Multimeter function: 1. Measure DC voltage. 2. Measure AC voltage. 3. Measure the DC current strength. 4. Measure the resistance value of resistor. 5. Check in short circuit or connection. 6. Check in the transistor. 7. Check electrolyte. 8. Check diode, leads, and zener diodes. 9. Check in the inductor. 10. Measure HFE transistor. 11. Measure temperature. Type of multimeter: 1. Analog multimeter. 2. Digital multimeter. How the multitester works when operating? The multitester must be powered with an electric current first. When the electric current flows in the multitester and reaches the coil within it, this can be seen when the pointer will automatically work and can move to certain can be set on the type of measurement needed. The presentation that I can convey, hopefully it's useful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you.